Hi students, this week we are going to see chapter 2, numbers and sequences. Okay, first we are going to see about sequences. So sequence means that is continuation. Okay, the continuation of anything. Okay, happening next, that is called consecutively happening, or the continuous happening of incidents we call as sequence. Okay, in maths, sequence means you can say use numbers. For example, in lower classes you would have studied this. See here, for example, 10, 20, 30, dash, 50, 60, dash. Okay, so in the lower class, third, fourth, this we call as find the missing numbers. Okay, like this question, you would have seen this question. So what you will write 40 and here you will write 70. Okay, so this is missing number. Actually this is called sequence. Okay, in that class you might have not studied that this is a sequence. So this is called sequence. And here a common number is added, isn't it? See here, 10 is added to all the numbers. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70. So a common number is added and we are getting the next numbers. So this sequence is called as arithmetic sequence. Okay, so arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which a common number is either added or subtracted to get a sequence. Okay, so this is called arithmetic sequence, or this is also called arithmetic progression. In short they call as AP. Okay, AP. Okay, even see here, for example, 100, 98, 96, 94, 92, 90, 88, like this you are getting. And here a common number is subtracted, see here, isn't it? 2 is subtracted, 100 minus 2, 98, 98 minus 2, 96. Otherwise you can call minus 2 is added. Okay, you can say minus 2 is added. See here, 100 plus minus 2. You get what? 100 minus 2, 98. And 98 plus minus 2, 96. Different sign. Subtract and put the bigger number sign. If you subtract 96, bigger number sign plus, not necessary. So 96 plus minus 2, you get 94. So here also you can say the same word add. A common number is added to get the sequence. What is that number? Minus 2. Here a common number is added to get this sequence, and that number is 10. Okay, 10 plus 10, 20. So like that you can say a common arithmetic sequence is a sequence in which a common number is added, okay, to get a complete sequence. Okay, so this is what arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression or arithmetic or AP. Okay, arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression or AP. So this is the introduction. Okay, that is what is AP. Okay, now we are going to see some basic formulas we are going to study in this concept. Okay, first we will start with an example for AP. Okay, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. You can see this sequence is commonly added by 3, isn't it? See here, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 3, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 3, 20. And these terms, that is T1, this term is called as T1, T2, that's T means term. Okay, term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5, term 6. So T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, like that it goes on. Okay, next see here, this first term is called as A. T1, yes, of course it is called as T1, and otherwise we can mention it as just simply A. Okay, the letter for one for T1 is A. Okay, like that you can't say that this is B, C, D, not like that. Only the first term is uh, symbolized with the letter A. Okay, and common difference, that what we saw, no? This is added with a common number, that is 3, and that is called as common difference. Okay, common difference D. Okay, and there is a formula to find D. Actually, it is very simple to find D. Okay, if you just see in which number it is added and we are getting the sequence, we can easily find out. But still, we have a formula to find D, common difference. D equal to T2 minus T1. Okay, that is the term, the next term minus the previous term. Okay, next term minus the previous term, that is T2 minus T1. And not only that is the formula. Okay, even T3 minus T2 is another formula for finding D. T4 minus T3, that is simply next term minus the previous term, that's all. Okay, next term minus previous term. So T4 minus T3, any formula if you use, if you take any two numbers and if you find D, the answer will be same. See, for example, T2 minus T1 means 8 minus 5, 3, 11 minus 8, 3, 14 minus 11, 3, 17 minus 14, 3, 20 minus 17, 3. So everything we are getting the same answer only. Okay, so that is called common difference D. Okay, next. Now we are going to check whether a given sequence is in AP or not. The exam, you will be given a sequence like this and you will be asked to find whether it is an AP or not. It is in AP, that is, it is a arithmetic progression or not. Okay, now this is an example. So this is an example. See here, 9, 13, 17, 21, 25. It goes on, and we have to check whether it is in AP or not. Okay, and this is the condition for AP. See here, T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. If you take three terms, this is the condition. Okay, first three terms, T2 minus T1 equal to, that should be equal to T3 minus T2. Or if you take second term, third term and fourth term, the condition will be like this, T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3. Like that, the condition also you can, okay, you can write any condition you want. Okay, in some questions actually the second, third, fourth terms will be easy. Okay, so you can easily find that is, you can easily find whether it is in AP or not. So only I am writing another condition. Okay, so if you take any, for example, if you take these three terms, that is T3, T4 and T5, what will be the condition for AP? T4 minus T3 equal to T5 minus T4, like that. Okay, see the first condition, T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. Okay, so if you take, this is for first three terms. If you take next three, that is second, third and fourth, the condition will be T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3. Anything, if you, any condition if you take, this answer will be same only. See here, T2, 13 minus 9 equal to 17 minus 13. What is the answer? 4, equal to 4. So therefore the given sequence is in AP. Like this you have to write, is in AP. Okay, if you do the same, see here, T3, what is T3? 17 minus T2, 13. 17 minus 13 equal to T4, 21 minus 17. 21 minus 17, you get 4, equal to 4. So the same thing, same answer you are getting. Okay, right. Next, see here, next concept, to find a particular term in an AP. Okay, for example, you are taking this AP, this is how many terms are there? 6 terms, 5 terms are there. If you want to find 20th term, okay, yeah, you have to just, what you will do, you will just add and go. Okay, the common difference is 4. Okay, so you have to add 24 plus 4, 29, like that. So instead of like that adding and going, there is a formula to find that. See here, find the 19th term of an AP. This is one AP they have given. Okay, minus 11, minus 15, minus 19. So we have to find the 19th term. Totally 3 terms are given. So we have to find the 19th term. So see here, the formula is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. See here, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So you know what is A? A is first term. Okay. N is what term they are asking. What to find? 19th term. No, that is n. Okay. And D is common difference. Okay. Right. First let us find these values. N, yes, it is given 19th term. A, it is in the question, minus 11. First term is A, you know that. And D, T2 minus T1. That is the formula to find D. Okay. So N we found, A we found, now D. T2 minus T1. Okay. So see here, minus 15 minus minus 15 minus 11. Okay. So how will you find this? See here, minus 15 minus into minus plus. Okay. Or okay, you can use this. See here, you write this number as it is, minus into minus plus, and write 11, which is equal to, see here, now different sign. Okay, use addition rule, different sign. So subtract and put the bigger number sign. If you subtract, you get 4, and bigger number sign minus. So the common difference is minus 4 more. Okay, the common difference is minus 4. Okay, now we are going to substitute. See here, now I am going to find T19 equal to A is minus 11 plus n minus 1. N is 19 ma. Okay, n is 19. So 19 minus 1, 18 into what is D, minus 4. So put in the bracket. Okay, now see here, minus 11 plus what is this, 18 into minus 4, get minus, plus into minus, minus 32, 72. Okay, now see here, addition rule, use addition rule. Same sign, both are having same sign, so add and put the same symbol. If you add, you get 83, and same symbol minus. So this is 19th term, T19. T19 means 19th term. Okay, that's what they have asked. Okay, so this is the way to find a particular term in an AP. Okay, next we are moving to how to find the number of terms in an AP. Okay, how to find number of terms in an AP. See here, find the number of terms in the AP. This is the AP they have given, 3, 6, 9, 12 till 111 ma. So till this 111, how many numbers are there? It is difficult to, we have to count and see how many numbers. 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, then 15, 18, like that you have to write till 111, then you have to count. So that is a difficult task. So to reduce that task, we are having a formula. Okay, so the formula is n equal to, n means number of terms, equal to L minus A by D plus 1. L minus A by D plus 1. Okay, so here also we need to find L, A and D. L for last term, 111, A for first term 3, L is last term 111. Okay, A is first term 3, and D, of course you know, T2 minus T1 equal to 6 minus 3. Okay, see here, T2 minus T1. So 6 minus 3, you are getting 3. So common difference is 3. Now we are going to apply this. See here, equal to L 111 minus A 3. Okay, by D is 3 plus 1. So first subtract 111 minus 3, 108 by 3 plus 1. But always use the bracket. So 108 by 3, you cancel, or if you want to divide, you go and divide. 3 3s are 9, remaining 1. So 6 3s are 18. So 36. You are getting 36. So if you cancel, you are getting 36. So 36 plus 1, you are getting 37. Okay. So till from 3 to 111, we are having totally how many numbers? 37 terms are there. 37 numbers or 37 terms, we can say. Okay. Clear? Okay, now still some concepts are there. I will see here. General form of AP ma. Okay, actually an AP will be in the form like this only. This is the general form. So to create an AP, okay, you can use this form. For example, you can take any number. For example, a equal to 5 you take, d equal to you take 3, like last example we saw, no, you will get the sequence. See here, if you put 5 here, a is 5, next 5 plus 3, next 5 plus 2 into 3, 5 plus 3 into 3, so like that it goes on. Okay, and next also a plus 4d, like that it goes on. 5 plus 4 into 3, like that it goes on. So here you are getting 5, here you are getting 8, here 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 5 11, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 5 14, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 5 17. So we got the example. See here, we saw, no, then the first example for AP we saw, we got that sequence. See here, so using this form we can create our own AP. Okay, this is creating our own AP. Any like that you can create your own AP. Okay, right. Next, so next one, three consecutive terms of an AP ma. That is any terms, that is three consecutive means அடுத்தடுத்து. So three consecutive terms in an AP will be in this form only. That is a minus d, a plus d. This will be the form. Okay. So see here. For example, I am taking a equal to 3, d equal to 4. Okay, any number you can take. See here, 3 minus d, here 3, here 3 plus, that is 3 minus 4, a is 3, and 3 a plus d, 3 plus 4. You are getting minus 1, and for this 3 only, here 7. So we got an AP. Okay, this is an AP. Okay, if you add, see here, minus 1 plus 4 you are getting 3, 3 plus 4 you are getting 7. So we got an AP. So this is a any three consecutive terms in an AP will be in this form. That is the concept we are saying. Okay, for example, see here, if you take this, okay, you take this three terms, okay, and we will consider this as a. Okay, this as a. Now this will be a minus d and this will be a plus d. See here, this is 14 minus what is d? 3, isn't it? This is common difference 3, and we are getting what? 11. Okay, and this will be in the form a plus d. That means 14 plus 3, we are getting what? 17. So this is a minus d form. Okay, 14 minus 3. So that's what we are saying. Okay, any three terms, consecutive terms in an AP will be in this form only. That is a minus d, a plus d. Okay, clear? So this is three consecutive terms. If you take any four consecutive terms in an AP, four consecutive terms means here this one, any four consecutive terms of an AP, this will be of the form a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. Okay, so this will be any four consecutive terms in an AP. So these are the extra additional things we are going to see here. Okay, this is not formula, this is forms. Okay, forms of AP, general form, three consecutive form, four consecutive format. Okay, these are all. Okay, the terms will be in this form only, three consecutive terms will be in this form. So only these forms I wrote separately. Okay, general form, three consecutive terms form, and four consecutive terms form. Okay, clear?